Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's your host Ray. So today's video is definitely something that I don't upload because I haven't done this kind of review in about 5 years, over 5 years, because well, I haven't gotten this type of model. Today's video is a review of the Gemini Jet's Airbus A319 in United Airlines colors. So let's see how it looks. I just got this in the mail today, and I am excited because this is my first Gemini Jets model in about 6 or 7 years. And my very first one, I really messed it up, and it's broken. Like, it's pretty broken, but not broken beyond like repair or anything. It just looks really bad. I might showcase it on this channel someday if I do end up starting an airport. Alright, excuse me. This is just gonna take a while. Christ, there is a lot of tape on this thing. Yeah, there we go. Alright, it's open. So, here, let me just try and get a better view for you guys. There's so much like plastic wrapping. Yes, here's the model. Ooh, alright, let me get rid of the box. Okay, so that's over there. Nice. Alright, I already love the box art. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, ever since United changed their paint job and livery, well, that's the same thing. I was pretty excited, and I was considering getting a model airplane of it, and I figured I'd get one of my favorite airplanes, the Airbus A319. So, yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the box art. Here's the side. Adult collectible model. Contains small parts. La 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 la. Good thing I am over the age of 14, so I guess this one's fit for me. As real as it gets, highly collectible, superior quality. With all of this advertisement on the box and my other model that I have very high expectations for this. So let's see here. Wow, so that's it. Alright, now, issue is, how am I supposed to remove this? I believe it's this way. I just don't want to break the model because I paid very good money for this, so yeah, it's my hard-earned money, so I don't want to break it. So it says A319 in 1/400 scale. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the camera down this way. I'm just very excited, and if you hear me panting a little bit and having trouble breathing, it's because I just came back from a very long bike ride, so. Oh man. Alright, let's see. I got two sides down. Man, the packaging is so, like, protective. Alright, so I'll move the camera down again. So here's the model. It's covered in this little plastic sheet. Wow. Holy crap, yo. Whew, okay, so this is pretty cool. It's kind of heavy because it's, well, die-cast metal. Alright, so I'm going to change the camera position and begin the review. Okay, so this is the model. It's pretty cool. I think the engines are a little bit bigger than they should be. I'm not sure about that, though. But yeah, this is definitely a huge improvement compared to the other A319 that I have. Wow. I'm personally impressed by the just the total amount of realism. Here's the underside. Let's see. Oh, no way, the wheels roll. I had no idea. So the wheels do roll in. There's some sort of little, I guess, liquid. I guess it's because of the rubber. Yeah, no, this model is way too realistic. Wow, I am thoroughly impressed. Okay, so I'm going to try and zoom in on some of the details. It's just going to be very hard to do because this thing is puny, so. Alright, so yeah, all the details make it seem like there's stains on this thing. So yeah, if you zoom in here. So yeah, this is the model. I don't see any paint defects or anything. Or it's just that I'm too blind to. There's a little bit of dust on it, but that's no biggie. So very high quality. I definitely wasn't expecting this high quality because, well, I've seen a few reviews of Gemini Jets models arriving broken, so yeah, it's just pretty impressive. Uh, yeah, so that's pretty much it for the model. It's really cool. So far, I really do recommend it. I haven't gotten a chance to look very close at it for any blemishes or errors, so I'll do that now and come back to you guys. Yeah, so I had a closer look and I noticed no blemishes or mistakes. This is certainly amazing. Uh, yeah, so let's see. I don't have much to point out. I'm just very impressed with like all of the small details. You can see the letters on the nose gear cover. It says A319, and I believe it's what? I can't read it. Let's see. 4876. I can't exactly tell the numbers on there, but just holy cow. I'm used to small models, but like not this level of realism. Oh, there's a little issue with the tire there, but I had no idea they can make these roll. Okay, so this was definitely worth my money. I'll put a link down to where I bought it in the description, so you can buy your own. But yeah, as of now, I highly recommend this model. It did not arrive broken, so I really trust this site now, the site where I bought it from. So yeah. So yeah, that is the Gemini Jet's 1/400 scale United Airbus A319. Uh, expect more reviews like this coming soon. I have a 737-200 coming in on Tuesday, so I'll get the review on that one pretty soon as well. And yeah, I'm hoping to start a little airport soon, so stay tuned for that. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want to say, drop it down in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This is your host, Ray, signing out. See you later.